This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Bramble. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is upgraded and ready for you to purchase. New roof, new impact-resistant windows and air conditioner with duct work all installed in 2020. You will love cooking in your upgraded kitchen with new stainless steel appliances in 2020. The backyard is fully fenced and ready for your critters. Call for your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Bramble at 239-229-4309.